Hey everyone, welcome to our intermediate / beginner core workout. We're going to need a little prop today, so something that has a little bit of weight to it so that you can use it to challenge yourself a little bit. We're going to do 2 rounds of a circuit. If you're intermediate, you could do more. Okay, so just keep your prop by your sides and slowly coming onto your back with me. Enjoy the scenery. And we're going into some toe taps and then some hundreds. So fingers down towards your feet. Bring your knees up in tabletop. Okay. Inhale, 360. Exhale, scooping through the tummy and dipping your toe in a bucket of water. And then inhale, come back. Exhale, dipping the toe. Inhale, come back. Now, if you have an anterior pelvic tilt, you might need to tuck your pelvis up a little bit or prop something under your bum. Try and exhale a little stronger, and that's just going to help engage your tummy. Let's go for 3 more. Keeping the legs feeling quite light. Inhale when you come back. Okay, bringing your feet back on the floor. Now, if you're intermediate or you just feel like an extra challenge, you could hover one leg up in tabletop. We're going into our hundreds. Otherwise, you could have both feet up and you could do your hundreds like so, or you could dip your toe on each exhale or extend on an exhale. All right, so it's your choice. Otherwise, keeping your feet down, support your head if you need to. Inhale, 360. Exhale, engaging for your rib angle. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intermediate version. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax, hugging the knees and slowly rocking yourself up to a seated position. Grabbing your little prop. Okay, so it could be a shoe, it could be a drink bottle, just something that has a little bit of weight. All right, we're going to scoot through the belly, slightly rounding through the back. Now you want to look down at your belly. If you notice that it's bulging, then just come more forwards and up. And if it's still bulging, come more with a straight back and sit more up, because you can still get what you need, like so. But if you're able to keep your tummy scooped, then you can have more of a challenge. And we're going to exhale to reach and tap, and tap. So I'm just inhaling as long as I can and then exhaling as long as I can, okay? Keeping the elbows wide. And we're twisting through the torso. It's not just an arm movement, okay? So twist through the torso. And then if you're a beginner, just sit up, have a break, and then come back down. If you're intermediate, you might even like to hover your feet, but make sure that you can keep your tummy engaged and that it's not too much in the hip flexors. 2 more. Last one. And coming up, sitting up nice and tall. Now the next one we can do is a little bit of a variation. So if you're a beginner, you could do just sitting up like so. Or if you want more of a challenge and you're able to keep your tummy scooped, then you can come into your scoop. You're going to extend the leg as you tap and then come forwards. Extend and tap, and then come forwards. Extend and tap, and come forwards. Breathing under your brace, really important when we do these sort of exercises. Nice. 2 more. Last one. Okay, slowly coming back up. Relax and bring your little prop down by your side. Okay, now the next one, you're going to hold on to your knee either like on the knee or under the knee. And we're going to exhale, scoop and reach the arm, and then inhale, sit up tall. All right, now if you're a beginner, you might just feel like that's enough for you, and that's still working on your tummy when you're engaged. Okay, so it's exhale to reach and scoop, and then inhale, come up tall. Rounding through the spine as we scoop, and then inhale, sit up tall. Rounding through. Now if you want to add a bit of a challenge, then you can do opposite leg and arm. So we're doing a lot of cross body movements, working out obliques, reaching, nice and tall. Okay, relax. Rolling all the way back down. Okay, just hugging the knees in for a moment. We're going back into toe taps and then into our hundreds. Okay, so having your knees back up in tabletop, propping your bum up if you were before. Inhale, 360. Exhale, scooping through the belly. Engaging according to your rib angle. Four more. Oh, I love church bells. Last one. And dropping the feet. Now into our hundreds. So if you need to support your head now, that's absolutely fine, but make sure that you're focusing on your correct engagement. And if you need to like break the breathing under a brace for a moment and then re-continue, go for it. Whatever is going to mean that you can hold yourself in that breathing under a brace. If you need to pause 3 times and reset, go for it. Okay, so support your head if you need to, otherwise off we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe under your brace. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost there. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax and hug the knees. And then we're going to slowly roll up into seated. Okay, grab your little prop. Holding on. Now remember, you have the option of just sitting up tall and twisting, or scooping through the tummy and twist and twist. So we're going to go for 8. Just long deep breathing, whatever feels comfortable. But we are breathing under a brace. Last one. And then sitting up nice and tall. Now, if you want to add in a leg with me, then we're going to do another round, but adding in a leg. So scooping through the belly, if you're doing that, I'm going to extend the opposite leg as I twist. So you might extend straight up, or you might extend down. Okay, whatever. Have a play around. See which way feels good or which feels stronger, and just see if you can maintain your core engagement and your posture at the same time. 2 more. Last one. Okay, relaxing your little prop, and now holding on to the top of the knees or under the knees, and we're going to reach and come up. Reach, come up, reach. Reach, and reach. Now, if you want, beginners have a rest. If you want to add the opposite leg, we're going to go for 8 of those. Reach, come back, reach, lengthen through the fingers and through the toes. Two more. Reach and lengthen. Lengthen. Last one. And coming onto your back. Alrighty, that is us completed. So just lengthen the arms away from each other. I will actually just give you one back exercise because it's really, really important that we do stay in balance with front and back. So what we're going to do is roll over. Roll over. Okay, I'm going to do some Supermans. Supermans, which you have the option of having your hands in front on your temples, or you can bring your hands behind your body or in goalpost. Whatever you prefer today. Alrighties, so inhale 360. Exhaling to lift and squeeze the butt and come down. Exhale, lift and squeeze. Keeping the shoulders drawing down and back. So think of opening through the chest as you lift. Bring the feet close together as you come up. So we're almost doing like a bit of a heel beat as we come up. Squeeze and lift. Squeeze and lift. If that doesn't feel good, just keep your legs straight, pointing down. 4 more. And 3. 2. Last one. 1. Relax down. Have your hands flat on the floor. Inhaling here. Exhaling. Going to lift the upper body. Reach. Come back. And down. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze the butt to lift. Exhale. Engaging through your tummy. Keeping the shoulders away from your ears. You want to feel this behind your shoulder blades. Two more. And relax, sitting back into a shell, and then that's us done. Oh, feels so good. So have a little think. How many times a week would feel good for you to do a core workout? Whether you do core and something else or just core. I personally recommend 3 times as a minimum, unless it's inside of another workout. But that's just depending on what your goals are. Okay, reach your hands a little bit. And reach again. And then slowly coming up. All right. And just have a little, oops, my fluffy fell off. A little twist. And a twist. Okay, that's us done for today, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye.